Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Sleeklens.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a reflection of this scene right here. I'm going to kind of make it look like it's water. It's going to be a crystal clear reflection. As you can see here, we got a lot of ripples going on in the water. We want to make it very crystal clear. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually select the rectangular marquee tool right here, and I'm going to select the whole top part of the image right where the mountain area and the water meet. I'm going to click Command or Control C to copy and Command or Control V to paste. And that's going to put this on its own brand new layer here. So now what I'm going to do is click Command or Control T, and that's going to get me into the transform. I'm going to right click here and I'm going to say flip vertical. So now all I got to do is drag this down to the bottom and kind of match roughly where the shoreline would be here. So as you can see, it's already sort of looking like a really nice glass effect, but obviously it's a little too perfect, a little too fake. So what we're going to do is apply some blurs to this layer. So I'm going to go over here to filter, I'm going to go to blur, and I'm going to go to motion blur, and I'm going to make my motion blur vertical, so the angle is going to be 90, and I can play with the distance here. I'm probably going to play with mine around 24, 25, somewhere around there, and that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to do one more blur here. I'm going to go up to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and I'm going to do another slight blur here. I'm going to choose, I don't have to be really heavy-handed with it, maybe 2.8, maybe 3.2. It's going to be different upon your image, but I'm going to go down to the lower part, 2.8 right there. That looks pretty good. So there we go. So now we have a little bit more of a fuzziness in the water. It looks a little bit more realistic. And now what I'm going to do is one more thing, and that is going to be to kind of darken the water just a hair. So I'm going to go click on my adjustment layers here, go to curves. You can actually do this with levels as well. I'm going to go ahead and clip this curves layer to our kind of water reflection. So to do that, I'm going to hold Alt or Option, and then it gives me a little symbol right here, and I'm going to hover between those two layers, click there, and now any effect I apply to my curves layer will only affect the water layer, and I'm just going to darken it just a little bit, just like that. So now we have a perfectly reflected sky mountain area in our water. It kind of looks like water since we apply those blurs there. So this was our before and this was our after. All right, guys, thank you for joining me in this quick Photoshop tutorial. Head on over to sleeklens.com for more Photoshop presets, profiles, courses about photography. Anything and everything you want to learn is over there. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. This has been Jordan from Sleeklens, and I'll see you in the next one.